Hi, Dan Harper, and we're here at IBEX. Going to tell you a little about our newest release, which is basically NMEA 2000, and we're using the NGT1, which is a bridge that goes from the MTC. Our application actually lives on the device itself, and that gives us the ability to speak NMEA 2000 or to speak CAN. So we're going to be showing you an application that's possible now that we have a fluent NMEA 2000 application layer. And what that's going to allow me to do is I'm going to go up here to our app. This is our standard Siren Marine app running on a iPad tablet. There's nothing special about this. This is our standard stock, what you have in the App Store on your phone or tablet today. I'm going to go to the switching tab. That's going to tell me if it sees the NMEA 2000 backbone. That'll light up green if it's there. If your boat shut down, you can use one of our Siren Marine outputs to turn on the NMEA 2000 backbone or to power that. And then it's going to auto-detect C-Zone, Seakeeper, anything that might be running on the N2K system. So that's up and running. It's auto-detected. It sees that we have a C-Zone system. And I'm going to go ahead and send it attended at the dock as though I were arriving for a day of boating. I want to go ahead and get my boat ready to go. It's in the evening, so I'm going to put at the dock attended mode, and that's going to turn on my courtesy lights, some other systems. Now my boat's ready for me to hop on a board. The lights are already turned on. We're going to go for a quick cruise underway at night, so I'm going to use, this is all standard C-Zone protocol. I just sent the underway at night. It turned on my steaming light, my running lights, and my stern light. Now I'm ready to go for a little cruise. We're going to stop and we're going to have a quick drink on the anchor. So I'm going to send the at anchor mode. That's going to shut down my running lights. It's going to turn on my anchor lights. So now I'm ready for a few minutes on the anchor. And again, we're just kind of thinking through an evening on the water, how you would use C-Zone and how that's now possible through our standard app using the MTC and an NGT1 to control natively our C-Zone application. We're gonna pump things up a little bit. We're gonna go for a little booze cruise. I'll be driving, so I won't be drinking, of course. And that's gonna send that message up. This is using LTE, Standard Cellular Network, to the cloud. It's gonna go down to the MTC. It's going to control the C-Zone, and now it's lit up our karaoke machine and everything else for a little booze cruise. And we're going to get back to the dock. I'm going to get ready to go home, so I'm going to send it the unattended mode. That's going to shut everything down. So again, NMEA 2000 makes all of this possible. It makes it possible to now control and utilize my C-Zone system. It makes it possible for me to pull engine information, use data, spin up my Seakeeper or gyro stabilizer. All of these applications that live or are connected to the NMEA 2000 backbone, we can now interface with and control using our new NMEA 2000 system. We're very excited about this. It's been a great IBEX boat show here. We've got tons of interest from new industry partners like C-Zone, and we'll see you next time for another announcement of the cool new things we've been working on.